Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Engineering with Ali Khan YouTube channel, and this is the Solidworks exercise number 4. In this lecture, we are going to make first we are going to make a 2D drawing and then convert this 2D drawing into 3D drawing. First, you have to select the units, change the units from IPS system to millimeter gram second, then go and select the plane. First, you have to select a front plane, go to sketch and select line, select a smart dimension and give a dimension of 100 millimeter and then click on OK. Now go to sketch and select line and make a 2D drawing like this. After this, go to the smart dimension, give the dimension 75 millimeter, which we obtained from the front view, 15 millimeter, and this side is also 15 millimeter, and then click on OK. Now go select a smart dimension, keep it 20 millimeter, overall 20 millimeter, and this side is also 20 millimeter, but this corresponding side have to take 10 millimeter. Now change this to 20 millimeter. (10mm) by default it is right. Now go to the feature and select extrude boss or base and give the dimension of 70 millimeter, which we obtained from the top view of this drawing, and then click on OK. Select the front plane or the back plane or the front face or back face. Normal, select to normal. Now go to the sketch and select the line. Now go to sketch, select line, and the length of the line has to be keep 50 millimeter. Go to smart dimension and keep this 50 millimeter. Now go to the 3-point arc. This 3-point arc is at a radius of 50 millimeter. Radius of 50 millimeter. Now go to the feature and select extrude boss or base. And from the side view, we obtained that this is at 15 millimeter. Line condition. After this, select the right plane, normal, select the line. साइड व्यू से हमें पता चलेगा कि हम नीचे जो लाइन लेंगे कितने मिलीमीटर पर लेंगे, 15 मिलीमीटर पर। यहाँ पर अब हम रिप फंक्शन को यूज़ करेंगे। इसके बाद आप इस तरह का एक 2D स्केच बना लें। 2D स्केच को बनाने के बाद आप क्या करोगे, इस तरह आप देख सकते हैं। इसके बाद आप जाओगे फीचर में और सेलेक्ट करोगे रिप फंक्शन को। रिप फंक्शन को इससे पहले भी हम यूज़ कर चुके हैं। फीचर में जाइए और वहाँ से इस तरह करें, रिप फंक्शन को सेलेक्ट करें। रिप फंक्शन के लिए जो डायमेंशन हमें गिवन है वो है 15 मिलीमीटर। 15 मिलीमीटर इसको रख कर दें एंड देन क्लिक ऑन ओके। कीप द कंडीशन, flip material right side. Now see, if you want to add some color, so go to the appearance and add color from this section. Go to the appearance if you want to add some color. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.